Hello everyone! Good morning! I am Teacher Joy. Now before we start, please stand up and follow the step using this video. Are you ready? Okay, let's start! Good job! So, are you ready to listen to Teacher Joy? Okay, I discuss is all about the quantum mechanical model. What is the quantum mechanical model? The quantum mechanical model is the most accurate model of the atom that describe electrons not as particles in fixed orbits, but as waves occupying three-dimensional region called orbitals. Is Erwin Schrödinger. So, Erwin Schrödinger is Australian physicist in 1926. Used the wave-particle duality of the electrons to develop and solve a complex mathematical equation that accurately describe the behavior of the electron in the hydrogen atom. So, ibig sabihin lang, si Erwin Schrödinger daw ay gumamit ng wave-particle duality ng electron upang ma-develop at masolusyonan ang mathematical equation at ma-describe ang behavior ng electron in the hydrogen atom. Mathematical equation using wave-particle duality, you typically use the de Broglie equation. So, ayan yung formula. Yung y na nakapabaligtad, tinatawag na particle wavelength. At yung p, momentum. And yung h, Planck constant. This means you can solve for particle wavelength if you know its momentum or solve for its momentum if you know the wavelength. Para naman sa particle with mass, yung P, momentum. Yung M ay mass. Yung V ay time velocity. So, ayan yung pinaka-formula niya ng particle with mass. Schrödinger equation has two main forms. The time-dependent equation and the time-independent equation. So, ito yung formula ng time-dependent equation, which describe how a quantum system changes over time. And ito naman ang formula ng time-independent equation, which is used for system with constant energy. So, this sign or this symbol is the wave function, and this another symbol is the reduced Planck constant, and this other one symbols is the Hamiltonian operator or representing total energy. E is for energy and R is position and T is time. Quantum mechanical model of the atom comes from the solution to Schrödinger equation. Quantization of electron energy is a requirement to solve the equation. This is unlike the Bohr model in which quantization was simply assumed with no mathematical basis. Ibig sabihin lang nito, ang quantum mechanical model daw ng atom ay nagmula sa solusyon ng Schrödinger equation na nangangailangan na equation energy ng electron. Sa kabilang banda, ang Bohr model daw ng quantization ay hindi nangangailangan ng batayan sa matematika. Solution to the Schrödinger wave equation called wave function. Give only the probability of finding an electron at a given point around the nucleus. Electrons do not travel around the nucleus in simple circular orbits. The location of the electron in the quantum mechanical model of the atom is often referred as an electron cloud. So, ito yung electron cloud. So, yung orange na yan ay tinatawag na nucleus. 5 basic atomic model have contributed to the structure of the atom itself. So, ang Dalton billiard ball or solid sphere model ay ginamit ni John Dalton. Ang plum pudding model ay ginamit ni J.J. Thomson. Ang nuclear model ay ginamit ni Ernest Rutherford. Ang planetary model ay ginamit ni Niels Bohr. And the last one is the electron cloud model or quantum model ay ginamit ni Erwin Schrödinger.